touchdown to the international airport.
Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia Captain Phil Atienza, First Officer Enzo Elicano, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalalapag lang po natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang eroplano hindi maganap na nakahinto at kayo nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo na ang lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan kayo mapagsilbihan at inaasahan namin muli tayong magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia ni Kapitan Phil Atienza, unang opisyal Enzo Elicano at lahat ng aming mga kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Once again, for safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to a